Kamal, and Deputy General Manager CAC in Iceberg Industries. And I'm like total 16 years experience, and with LG I have like of course or more than 12 years experience. So we are diamond sponsor over here. I'm from Iceberg Industries, and everything is very well organized. And since I'm a part of VRF system, I'm like working on VRF system from beginning where it was starting in Pakistan. So I'm like very happy to see that it is like recognized by main bodies, HVAC Pakistan, that HVAC Pakistan has supported us too much, that it has organized specifically for VRF system, and I'm thankful to them so much. Thank you.